A group of scientists are facing 6 years in jail for manslaughter for providing an incomplete, inept, unsuitable and criminally mistaken assessment of risks posed by the devastating L'Aquila earthquake that killed more than 300 people. The landmark decision on Monday was welcomed by victims and their families but immediately prompted uproar from the scientific community, which contends that there is no reliable way of predicting earthquakes. The 6 scientists and a former government official were all members of the Major Risks Committee, which met in the central Italian city on March 31, 2009, after several small tremors. Thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. Had been recorded in the region. At the time, they ruled that it was impossible to determine whether the tremors would be followed by a large quake, in a judgment which reassured residents.